Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I'm now back with my part 3 of my Dekdesigns order. So this is the mystery kit. So I'm going to set that to the side. We'll go through this and then I'll come back with that. So I love this kit. This is called Believe, and I think that this is the full kit. So it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I love that washi. And I'm super excited to use this. I also have the 2-page kit that I shared in part 1 of all these videos, and that is what I'm going to use in my memory planning. So absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so that is Believe. Now, in this particular set of goodies, I just found, and it was an April order, so I'm so sorry. It kind of got lost in all the shuffle of packing and everything, but this one is called Sweet Delight. So go to DEK Designs. They may or may not still have these in stock to offer, but if not, you can definitely find something else that's really pretty. So this one is called Sweet Delights, and look at this. It looks like a 50s girl. That is so cute. And look at that gorgeous washi. Oh, so pretty. Oh my goodness. And then look here, you get that skirt again. Oh, that is gorgeous. Kind of reminds me of Italy. Yeah, macaroons. Oh, so pretty. And then here is the flowers, the flower, what do you call that? Kiosk. And then the headers, the glitter headers, and then the date dots and functionals. So pretty. And again, this one is called Sweet Delights. So sweet. Okay. Now, the next one is called, hold on, let's see, Daisies. Oh, super cute. She really did do a lot with daisies this year. I really love all the daisies. So cute. Oh, so pretty. I love this. Oh, look at those decoratives. I know, so cute. I mean, there's a daisies with blue jeans, and oh my gosh, there's so many. I love those listers got a list. I really like that. That one's very different than what we normally have. Those are so pretty. So that is gold halo on there. Whoops. Okay, that's the end of that one. So this one was done with a gold halo. So pretty. Okay, now that was daisies. This one is called Spring Swans, which that will be for my sister. So I love that. And her father-in-law, those of you who are praying with us, her father-in-law, Bill, is hanging in there. He's stable right now, but he's still in a wheelchair to get around and things like that. So please keep praying for him, okay? I love all the swans on that. Okay, and there's the half boxes and the habit trackers and the weekend, and I use these for my menu planning. Oh, look at that washi, is so pretty. And then the decorate the labeled headers and the what am I trying to say, glitter headers, and then the functionals and the date dots. So pretty. And then here's your listers goodies, and that makes for one gorgeous, and that looks like that is the gold halo. And that again was Spring Swans. Super sweet. All right, now, oh, we got Summer Cottage. Oh, that is so cute. Love that. So pretty. So you've got peach and kind of a light teal blue with some grays and browns. So beautiful, isn't it? Those decorative stickers are so sweet. You got your half boxes, your washi. So pretty. You've got more washi. Isn't that gorgeous? And that is with rose gold. Yeah, that's my favorite. Hopefully it is for you. And then here's some more rose gold. Ah, now I've had this also in another order. I love it. This is called Pink Sands. And I just love it. I love that with the rose gold. And with that rose gold, it looks more pink here. And here it looks more coppery. So it depends on the complementary color with it. And then you've got your headers, your glitter headers, your date dots, oh, your listers. That just looks like Fiji. Oh man, I would love to one day go to that. Stay out over the water. How pretty is that? Oh, I just dream of that. I know, I'm an ocean girl. Look at that. So pretty. I love those postage stamp size stickers. They are so much fun. Look at this washi. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, wow. And then you got your days of the week and your icons. And that again is Pink Sands. And then this is April. So I've had this also before in another order. So pretty. It reminds me of my mom. She loved key lime pie. Look at those pretty girls. So pretty. And look at the washi. Oh, so pretty. I think I will use this in my mom and dad's. Though it is very kind of like, what am I trying to say? Very planner-esque, and it has the full planner kit. There are still some things I can use in there for them. Isn't that pretty? And then you've got all of this. So this is representative how it looks without foiling. So occasionally, every now and then, I'll do them without foiling. Very rare, but occasionally. So very, very pretty. Those listers got a list boxes are beautiful. Again, this one is called April. Very pretty. Now, this one is called Provence. So clearly we are talking about France and the gorgeous lavender fields. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at those washi. Oh my goodness. That again would be beautiful for my parents. I love those. Are so pretty. So pretty. And then you've got this with pink roses, and I'm doing kind of a pink and purple thing, so this one just may just go straight in there. And then I love the banner flags and the decoratives. Oh my goodness gracious, look at that. How beautiful is that for Lister's Got a List? Yeah, so beautiful. And then last but not least, of course, it has that silver foil. You've got your headers, your date dots, and functional icons. So again, Provence. Okay, scoot that back a little. Last but not least, we have, hold on, the smell of home. Oh, it has to do with baking. I love that. Super cute. It's got rose gold foil. Look at this girl. That is so cute. All three, these girls, I should say. And then look at the washi for baking. This might even be fun if it's still available. You could use this for Christmas or Thanksgiving. Yeah, if you just want a different color. I think that would be fun. Oh, the muffins. Okay. More of the baking. This would be great if you're doing a recipe kit for somebody for Christmas. And how many of y'all have like breakfast bars at your house where you feed the kids at the counter? We had one in the townhouse we lived in. And we would make a pancake bar for all of them. Okay, and then here is the last of that kit. And it is the smell of home. Super, super cute. Now, this is a mystery kit. So there are 2 subscriptions in DK Designs. Sorry, my camera keeps moving on me. My apologies. There are 2 different kits in DK Designs. One is the subscription kit, and then one is the mystery kit. So this is a mystery kit. It is a smaller kit, a lower price point. So it makes it super nice to see if you like it. So let's see. This is Egg Hunt. Oh, this is so cute. So look at the Mickey. Isn't that cute? Perfectly weighted, not heavy. These pins right like butter. Before I forget, here is the floral. If you can see it. Silver foiled. So pretty washi. Definitely goes with that. And then it looks kind of like a Cinderella theme with the glass slipper. I have a lisp here, a glass slipper. And then look at the date dots. How pretty with that silver halo. Okay, cannot wait to see. So this is definitely live like there is no midnight. I love that. Look at the carriage. And the little, I think that's the little fairy godmother. There we go. It looks like that's her, and then the pretty birds, and then the castle. Here's more of the castle, the storybook of the castle. Look at the washi. So beautiful. Days of the week. Look at all the different Cinderellas. How pretty. So pretty. And then here's more of the beautiful boxes. Okay, and there's some decoratives. I love those. And the half scallops and the eyelet scallops and the work stickers and the pennant. And then the 2 clipboards, more of the listers, the menu, and then the word, kind of like word labels. And then here are habit trackers. You've got your labeled headers, your glitter headers, and more of those hearts. It's so pretty and weekend. So this is a great starting point. If you're not sure if you want to do a subscription, this is a great place to start. If you're thinking, I don't know if I can use all that, there you go. And then I ordered this washi extra. It is 1 extra wide, dark with silver washi. So pretty, so beautiful. Cannot wait to use it. And I think I did order that. I'm trying to see if I ordered it. Sometimes she puts things in because I'm on her design team and PR team. But yeah, no, it's amazing. All the goodies that we get are just beautiful. And she's also sweet about, if I order a lot, then she'll put it in one order for me. So, okay, I don't see what I have, but I'm missing it somehow. But this is the mystery kit. There's an extra order of washi. And then here are some gorgeous, gorgeous planner sticker kits. So there you go. Sorry, guys. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Sorry about the moving camera. I'm really having a hard time with these stands. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Leave a comment below. Tell me which one is your favorite. All right, friends. This is going to post on Sunday specials. So remember, go to dekdesigns.com. Look at all the new releases, and they release at a really good price. You can get them foiled or unfoiled. And I showed you an unfoiled. And then you can put in the comment section KRIS, KRIS. It will get you a free sticker sheet. And then also, if you want, there's a discount listed below, as well as the website address. And if you put that code in the discount area, it will give you a percentage off of the rest of your order, as long as it's not on sale. So, and it's not a kit. That's the only thing, because the kits are always such a good deal. You can't beat that. And then the things that are on sale are such a good deal. So, all right, friends, but everything else you get to use the discount on. Isn't that neat? Okay, friends, I'll let you go. Have a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed this. This was part 3 of many different orders. And yeah, I've got a good thing going here with all my DEK fun. So, all right, friends, I pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. And I'll be talking to you soon. Y'all stay safe. Love y'all. Bye-bye.